Hey, what's going on? So today I am in Prague, working around trying to do some extra trading while I'm here, just trying to finally pass the phase one of the Blue Guardian challenge. I'm currently at 7.7% up, which is pretty good. First week I was trading this account this year was 6%. This week I've just done this over 1.5%. So yeah, just want to try and get that last little 0.3% today and show everybody how it can be done. It's not the most difficult thing in the world if you actually put yourself mind to it. I'm actually in Prague at the moment. I'm actually in the location where FTMO is actually based, just up in the food hall court here, because they've got good Wi-Fi. I can power up my laptop and I can sit here today uninterrupted, listen to some great tunes and just get on with some trading. So let's see what the charts have got and see what we can do. So just analysing the charts this morning, we see gold, which is the main thing I'm trading this week, is pretty much any downward trend. Looking at the 1 hour chart, as you can see, it started to fall off the higher today. It is actually CPI data coming out today, so it could be a big volatile move in the afternoon. Hopefully I'm going to be done way before then. Let's have a quick look at the dashboard currently within the Blue Guardian. We can see this week I'm now at 7.7% profit. It's pretty good. If we look at the days I've been trading on as an example, let's get these loading up. You can see pretty much been consistent every day doing profits all the way through. And although we see this down day of a minus 800, that was actually an overnight rolling profit. Some losses on a couple of trades. They came good the following day, and just a little bit of scalping, and just made sure I got all those trades back, scalped out to get up to the 7.7%. So yeah, looking at gold, looking for the price to come off this recent high and short all the way down back to the 2020 level. If we zoom in slightly onto a lower time frame, let's say 5 minutes, we can see now price is starting to come off. So I'm going to set a bit of a sell entry just around about 2030 and wait for the price to come all the way down. My only target is actually hitting 2027. But as you know, with these challenges, you want to try and push through the line. Don't try and scalp out. I think it's very easy just to go with a very big lot size just to try and get a very short movement. It could very easily go, let's say, 5 lots on gold and try and get a $0.5 movement, which in reality would actually get me to target, but wouldn't be a proper trade in my trading plan and strategy. So yeah, it's going to set the trade on my phone, which is not ideal. But as I said, I'm traveling this week. I am over in the Czech Republic on my Mac. That's why I've got to use TradingView, not my preferred charting software, but it does the job. The other things I'm looking at as well today is potentially GBP USD cable. It has had a rally over recent days, again with a lot of the volatility of the news. We can see if we go to the hour chart, we are starting to see a much more upward momentum. So again, I could place a buy order just above the previous bar and wait for that push up higher into the 127.80 or to the 128 level. So yeah, let's get some orders onto the MetaTrader on the phone and wait and see what happens. Okay, so it's been a real roller coaster afternoon with the CPI data coming out. We can see from the charts here, especially on GBP, price absolutely tanked, and also on gold. We can see that as soon as the news came out, there was a massive spike, broke through my original downtrend before taking off back in the original direction I expected. The original trades I placed did actually get stopped out, but with a bit of perseverance and scalping, we can see from the dashboard on Blue Guardian, I have now managed to hit the 8% target of today. So I've actually managed to get through past all the 3 phases, and they've already sent through confirmation of the next phase, which I'll be starting early next week once I've got my trade copier up and running. So I'll be able to do this directly with FTMO and Blue Guardian and just manage one account as opposed to actually 2. So hopefully you've enjoyed that quick sort of intro onto how to get funded on the phase 1, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers.